Hey guys, today's video, let's learn how we can fix Bluetooth and Wi-Fi grayed out. So first of all, this might be a small glitch. What you have to do is you have to simply press your power off button and you're going to have to simply restart your device. Now, restarting your device might fix a lot of your problems. So see if it changes anything after you restart your device. If you find out that your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are still grayed out, then you're going to have to reset the settings. So simply go ahead, launch your settings application. You will see a search button. Here simply type in Bluetooth. As you do that, under General Management, you will see Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth Settings. And tap onto it again. And then you're going to have to reset the settings. It says this will reset all your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. This cannot be undone. So go ahead, confirm your action, reset the settings for Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, restart your device, and hopefully it will fix your problem. Thank you for watching.